So today, I'm building this guy, this computer. We got the components here. Let's get started. We got the motherboard. It's a B850 motherboard. This is for our Ryzen 7800 X3D. It's not the best chip, but there's a 3D cache in it. It's good enough for 1440p. We're opening the CPU mount right now. And then we'll get out the CPU here. We will find the golden triangle, which is this one. Snap that in. And we should be good. Just back up. A little bit push. Oops. We should be good. Our RAM kit, we got a Vengeance RGB 535 gigs 16x2. Normally I would go for 64 gigs, but like RAM prices are not due right now, so we're left with pretty few gigs for the one. I got this motherboard only so just snap that in. A bit more in, so just going to click. This thing on the click. There we go. Open the second one too. Just sit down. And we'll put that in. Align that up. There we go. There we go. For our M.2 drive, we got a Samsung 990 Evo Plus, which is a 2TB one. I'm gonna pop this thing up first. And then we have this little heatsink here. We can pull this thing off. Then we're gonna insert it like this. Make sure it's fully in. It takes up a little force. Okay, after checking some instructions, we're supposed to put this over so that this can get down first. Then we're gonna pull this over so that it locks onto there. Right. Now put the heatsink on. Just like that. Secure. Nice. Okay, so we have our GPU here. It's an RX 9070 XT. It's not the best for 4K, but we're using a 1440p monitor, so this is probably good enough. What I want to do now is I want to release this thing, align the PCI lines, and then trust the process. So after some work, we installed the radiator up there, and we installed the CPU. This is GPU. We have a bracket installed into the motherboard, secured every screw in there. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna put in the power supply. It's a NTEC power supply. It's a 850 watts Gold 80 plus. Yeah, it's pretty overkill with this build. This is the estimated wattage usage. Obviously, 600. This thing's like 850, but stability is the most important thing in your computer. So, never cheap out on your power supply. The thing, put it back, align it at the front, like this. And we're good. So, I can't find the screws, so I got some extra screws from the motherboard. Like the extra screws from the motherboard included in the packages. Oh, I'm gonna put it here. Put that on. Align that, and. So I'm just done wiring, which is really annoying. It took me like an hour or two. I just connected all the HDD and stuff. We got a cable on there. Just turn that on. And moment of truth. Oh, okay. It looks gorgeous. Now to find a touch. That's in. Other side. How put this thing? It should be this way. This thing is going back in. What's that do? There we go. We should be sailing. 搞定了。直接下了 CS。Actually, it's both. And the most important part. What is it? Oh, Sigma! Now, we got our wires around here. We're gonna put the monitor in first. Whoops. Please stop the recording now. Normally you want to do this with a glove because these conduct high electricity, high volts, but I clearly don't have the time for that right now. So I just stick with this. Oh, there we go. Well, and where's that? Oh, there it is. So display port. So 1.4 I believe. I'll just try to find the thing down there first. Hold on. Let's see. Just want to this way forward. Oh, I found it. Hold on. Yeah, then, here. So we have to put it down here. I'm just have to the lights over here. Just do it first. Oops. I turn on the light here. Oh, there we go. So this is the Ethernet port. You can see it. Oh, let's plug that thing in. Oh, what's supposed to mention? This is a 5E, I think. Yeah, it's a Cat 5E. Put that in. And then we got a display port. We're gonna put it in here. We're gonna put it in here. Oh, that's an MCI port. Whoopsies, my bad. I bought the wrong thing. Woohoo! Put that DP in. And we should be good. Loki. Let's put the thing up. Then put it inside. Hold on. It's kind of heavy. Hold on. That's intact. Let's have a push start. Don't forget it. I might have it. Side. There we go. See our display arm. Oh, we put it on the BIOS. First try, by the way. First try. We're enabling XMP right now. XMP enabled. We should be running at 600 megahertz, alright? Good. Oh. Hey, good job. Oh, good job. What about you? I'm not taking. I hope not. If I am, then that's what I got. Alright, I found it. So USB that I'll be getting. And, whoops. Let's put this thing on first. And, then the option 1, 2, 3. Save changes. Okay. So I realized I did something really stupid. I forgot to link the front fans, like the fan hub to the power supply. I mean to the motherboard, but like I just can't find the cord, so I just decided to pull them apart from the hub and then just put them straight to the motherboard, and then it was working well, I think.